How to fix audio not playing after posting on threads. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix audio not playing after posting on threads. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you're using the latest version of the Threads app. To confirm, you want to open Play Store or App Store, then search for Threads. Here, if you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. If you find open over here, that means your application is already fully up to date. Now tap on open and open this application. Make sure to sign into your account. Now to make a post, you want to tap on this what's new option over here. Then select the first icon of image. Now you want to select a video from your gallery. Now at the bottom of this video, you have this audio icon. Make sure that you tap on this. After you tap on this icon, the video will no longer be muted. If you do not tap on the audio icon, then your video will be posted without audio. So make sure that you tap on this icon and unmute your video. Once that is done, you can post it. Before this, you can add hashtags or location if you want. Now tap on the post option. As you can see, the video is now being posted. After the video has been posted, if you tap on this, there will be audio and the problem of audio not playing will be fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.